Oh yeah, that's awesome. Look at that. This video, I'm going to go over these mounting brackets for a Ford F-150 that with a built-in ratcheting strap. Yours might be different. They actually make these for a wide variety of vehicles and trucks, but you see how this is right here? There's a bracket, there's inserts right here that I screwed these things down into. That way you can have a mounting point inside your truck bed. But the problem with that is you have to carry a separate ratchet strap. So this is an all-in-one. It actually takes care of both systems. Has a hooking area right here for hooking the straps. It's got a strap built in, and it's got a spring-loaded ratcheting system. What I'm going to do in this video is I'm just going to show you guys how to install these real quick, because it's basically just 4 bolts, and they give you all of the hardware. Here's everything you get in the box. The Max Xena, compatible with Ford F-150. Make sure you get your vehicle, and it shows some instructions on how to install it, and it gives you a little set of hardware. But I'm going to use the bolts that I have on these systems, and I won't use these, but it's nice that you have those, and you got the washers and everything. So let's go ahead, let's take these off, and let's get the new ones on, and I'll show you how these things work. So let's get to it. Okay, so these actually use one of these Star Torx bits, and that's the ones I have here. Make sure you're using the right one. That's like I said, I'm going to reuse these bolts that came out of here. So this is how my truck came, just like that. Mounts up perfectly. I'm going to hand start them just like this. I put Loctite on these also. And what I'm going to do is tighten it down in a star pattern. I'm going to tighten down this one, then this one, then this one. There we go. That's on there solid. So let me show you how this thing works. So it's pretty simple how it works. You see how that's got a latching right there. Pull this all the way down till it unlocks. Now you can't pull on it yet, but watch this. Hit that button right there. You guys see that? Let me move it back a little bit. Then hit the yellow button. You see how I can't pull it? Just like that. And then to ratchet it, just pull it back, unlock it, and now I can ratchet it over. Is that not awesome? And then when I want to like pull this in, look how it's like spring loaded, everybody. And then if this is hanging around, I'll just lock it in like that. So there it is. It's not going anywhere. It's not going to blow around. That's going to hold on nicely. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be using these amongst my travels. That's for sure. I always needed some sort of ratcheting system in the back of my truck. And if you got an F-150 or any other type of bed that has a mounting bracket like this on it, highly recommend these things. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the ratcheting bed straps. See you on the next video.